friends, welcome. On today's video I am going to be decorating on my credentia, and I am doing my black lantern. Thank you so much for stopping in, and if you are new here, welcome. I truly thank you. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of fun things over here. Thank you so much, all of my friends. God bless y'all on today. Hope y'all having a blessed day. So let's get started. Friends, let me start out saying I bought these from the Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to change the color a little bit because I have a vision in mind on where I'm going. So I spray painted these gold, and that is the outcome. Now I am going to be working with some gold flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to also be working with some that I painted black and some things that I already have here. Everything else, the lantern and a few more decor that you would see me use, I already have. Friends, before I go any further, this is a collaboration. Our host is Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel. We have Miss Anthony's Adventures with Courtney. We have Miss Event Decor and Design by Leisha. We have Miss Decorating with Jazzy Green. We have Miss Debbie Bubbles. We have the Rogers House and Miss Lady Cinnamon. Friends, please go back and watch the playlist because there is a playlist. And thank you so much, ladies, for inviting me in this collaboration. I am going to use the gold and black flowers, and I'm going to make this into a swag. Now this is the first time I'm actually putting this on to my lantern. You would definitely need floral wire, and I just could not find my other ties that will really hold it, so I had to really keep wrapping this around a few times to hold it on the lantern. I just want to share with you, friends, on how to put this on. Now you really need the zip ties. I have a bunch of zip ties, but not sure exactly what I did with it. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to use the floral wire to put this on and to make it sturdy so it won't move. I really want to try to swag it on the side because there's the open door in the front, and I didn't want to block that. Don't let nobody fool you. The zip ties would have made this hold a whole lot easier, but through it all, I made it through it. As I'm trying to find the look I'm looking for, this is one part here, I did add some ukuleles flowers in here that I painted gold. And guys, I'm telling you, you can paint your floral flowers or any flowers any color for the season. Now, I did have my owl. I've been bought this about a few years ago from Hobby Lobby doing the clearance, and I found that for $3. But just wait a minute now. I am still going to change this a little bit because I want you to look at this process. So when you look at your process of what you're doing or DIY and the decorating, and if you feel like you're not there yet, guys, step back and go back and get some more things. Try to find what you're looking for. You know, sometimes we have a vision of what we want to do in our head, but trying to do it is a different story. So I added the buffalo ribbon with this because, like I said, guys, I'm just falling in love with the color black. And I said, well, I better add some more with this. And I did add some fall flowers on the side. And I will also, as you see, add my candle. So friends, it really came out pretty good overall. So tell me what you think, because I'm trying to work with the colors I have. And like I was telling you, most of you know, I am in the process of painting. I may start tomorrow painting some more of the walls and stuff, a brighter color. So I love this. And I hope you enjoy this also, that you like this. Friends, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Friends, this is the finished look. You know, I did a little here and there behind the scene, but tell me what you think. How can I forget, friends? I did glam up the little sunflower from the Dollar Tree. So I just add some crystal glass inside of that flower. Thank you so much, friends. I enjoy having you here on today. Please don't forget to go and watch the playlist. Thank you, ladies. Y'all have a blessed day from Penny. I'll see y'all on my next video.